Hi guys, my name is Blair from Beautiful Hair by Blair. This video is going to be about tape-in and tape-in and microlink extensions. This is what came in my kit, and I'm going to be using it on this mannequin so that I can install it and take a picture of it so I can get my certificate. I can't get my certificate for Dreamcatchers until I install this and send them a picture. So I have to install 10 of these and 2 of these. So there's a little bit more than 10 and 2 so that we can practice. And these are also reusable, so if I mess up, I can always adjust the bead and re-put it back in so that I can take the picture, because it has to be properly installed in order to get the certificate. Now, I already took the 10 hours of the training for the microlinks, and so after I've done the training, I can now actually do the hair. So I think I've watched the training like twice just to make sure that I've got it, like especially the install part, that I've got it down pat so I can do this without actually looking at something, okay? So first we're going to do the tape-ins. So they gave us this brown European hair to try, 10 pieces. So the tape-in looks like this. This is the other side. So I'm just going to part this hair off so that I can get a clean section of where the extensions are going to go. Okay, now that I have this clean section to work with, I'm just going to comb it out. And we're going to use these, our handy hair separators, that's what I call them. So what you're going to do with this is push this up. Look at that, easy. Push this up, and it just sticks, just like Velcro. Okay, so we're going to take our first tape-in. We take the back off. The back is sticky, the other side is not sticky. We're going to stick it on the hair. Press it down. It's almost the same color. Press it down. And then we're going to lift. We're going to lift that up. And then I'm just going to keep this here so that I can open up the other tape. Take the backing off. And then we're going to line this up like that. And make sure you squeeze. From middle to end, squeeze. And look how beautiful that is. I'm going to show you another method of doing this. So I need 2 tape-ins, so that's 1. I'm going to take off 2 more. Take the backing off. So I'm going to hold it like this, and I'm going to take out a little section of hair, just like this. Make sure it's smaller than the tape area, and put it under, not on top, under. Push that down. Hi guys, so for this part of the video, we're going to be doing the microlinks. And what we do first is grab some beads that are the color of the hair or the color of the grow out. So this hair is a dark brown, so I chose the dark brown beads. Okay, So we can pull this out, keep them apart for when we need them. I'm going to section off the hair that's going to get the microlinks right now. Okay, so for the microlinks, we always start in the middle, and we're going to pinch a very, very tiny area and loop it through and clamp it. So we're going to take the loop, put it through the tiny bead, take a piece of hair from the middle, put the hair through the loop, fish the bead through the loop. You see the bead is on there? Then we're going to take a microlink, put it through the hole of the bead, hold it snug and tight, and then we're going to clamp it. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So in order to get my certificate, I have to send in 10 of these microlinks. So this is the first one. So I'm just explaining the first one. So I'm just going to go through about 9 more so I can take the picture and get my certification. Okay. You can skip a space if you want, or you can put it directly next to the bead, depending on what kind of density you're looking for. You want to take a really small section because you want to make sure that it fits through the bead. Put the hair through the loop. to get my certificate. So I'll take a picture of this and I'll send it to them via email. And it actually matches this mannequin's hair color, which is really cool. So these are pretty easy to do. I learned this by looking at the Microlinks video about 1 or 2 times, and it's so easy to do, so easy to use. The training makes it even easier because it does break it down into modules, step by step of what to do, how to color it, and it looks and appears to be comfortable. So I can't wait to start installing this on people. That and the tape that we have here, the tape looks very comfortable too. Right now, I'm gonna probably do another video on how to remove these microlinks and how to pull them up and tighten them after you wash them. So once you put it in your client, it's 4 to 6 weeks, and then you can resize it, which is move it up because the hair does grow. And then 4 to 6 weeks after that, you want to actually change this or change the beads. And so that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to follow, like, and comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is Beautiful Hair by Blair, on IG, of course. And I'll see you guys later in the next video. Thank you.